How does this happen? In our daily lives, we experience heat as a distinct sensation: the warmth of the sun, the boiling of water, or the burning of a flame. For centuries, humans mistook heat for an invisible fluid called caloric. However, modern physics reveals a such more fascinating reality. Heat is not physical substance at all. Instead, it's the macroscopic manifestation of microscopic motion. Heat occurs because of the invisible, chaotic, and kinetic activity of trillions of atoms and molecules trapped within matter. Everything in the universe is composed of atoms measuring roughly 10 to the power of minus 10 meters in diameter. According to the kinetic theory of matter, these particles are never stationary. They are always in continuous random motion. The sequential process of how heat occurs follows a swift chain of microscopic events. 1. Energy absorption. The process begins when an object absorbs external energy from mechanical work like friction, chemical reaction like combustion, or radiation like sunlight, directly transferring it to its constituent atoms. 2. Atomic acceleration. This energy influx forces the atoms to accelerate violently. Atoms in solids vibrate furiously within their rigid crystal lattice, while particles in fluid fly across space and collide with immense force. 3. Temperature rise. As this submicroscopic collision intensifies, the system's internal kinetic energy surge. Macroscopically, we measure this atomic chaos as a rise in temperature, mathematically defined by the kinetic theory equation. Kinetic energy equals 3 half k times t, where E underscore k is the average kinetic energy of the particles, k is the Boltzmann constant, and T is the absolute temperature. This formula proved that temperature is directly proportional to atomic speed. 4. And lastly, thermal propagation. Finally, the heat transfer occurs via conduction. Fast-moving, hot atoms mechanically slam into slower, colder atoms, passing the kinetic energy along until the entire system reaches a state of thermal equilibrium.